Guys, welcome to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Carrie, and I have a kind of a different case today. This little guy's name is Ray, and we were asked to kind of take a look at him. He's a transfer from another hospital. He has parvo, so we just tested him parvo positive, but he also has obviously some sort of neurologic disorder. So he shakes really bad when he's on the ground. He just has constant kind of tremors when he tries to walk. And then we also think that he is completely blind. So we're trying to sort through these issues and figure out what's going on. Someone found him on the side of the road and then just advertised on Craigslist and said, hey, someone needs to take this dog for me. I'm not gonna keep it, I think it's blind. So I don't know what truth there is to that, but he was basically a puppy that somebody grabbed because they were worried about what would happen to him. So we're just gonna kind of try to figure out what's going on with him, but it may not be very simple. For now, we need to treat him for parvo, treat his diarrhea, we have blood work running, and then go from there. We're rechecking our little guy. He's actually eating really good. He's drinking some water. He is peeing all over himself constantly, so we're going to need to give him a bath. We are going to do a test for distemper virus, which is a virus that can affect the nervous system of dogs, especially unvaccinated dogs and puppies, and it can make them have these kind of tremors like this. So we're going to run that test and hopefully get those results back pretty quickly. They required a swab of his conjunctiva, so we got a swab kind of in his eye, which he hated. Then we're going to draw a couple mils of blood to send in, and then we have to get some urine, which is going to be the real kicker. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right.
I've been thinking about it lately. I want to give you what you want. I want to give you what you want. I want to give you what you want.
Hi, Ray. Are you feeling good? You're feeling good. Ray's parvo is completely cleared up. He's doing great. And then we just got the results in. His distemper test is negative, which leads us to believe, one, that he was born with this, and it also lets us know that it's probably not going to progress to the point of death. He should probably be about the same and would be just fine living a perfectly happy life. As you can see, he's a happy little dude, so he'll just always be adorably spastic, our little Ray of Sunshine.
What's with all this waiting? I want to give you what you want. I want to give you what you want. I want to give you what you want.
We are saying goodbye to our little man. Ray is such a good dog, and we're so glad that, you know, they didn't give up on him and that the rescue decided to go ahead and grab him off Craigslist before he kind of fell into the wrong hands. So he has certainly special needs. You know, he's never going to be normal. He's always going to be shaky. He's probably never going to be able to see, but he's a sweet dog, and all he really wants is a home to play in and lots of love. Someone to carry him around like a baby like this all the time. That's all he wants. You could put him in a little like kangaroo pouch. That's all he needs. So thank you guys so much for all your support and watching our videos. We definitely could not do this without you. So on behalf of me and Ray, we'll see you next time. Thank you.
'Cause all I'm asking is for a heartbeat, just a small town miracle. And if the good Lord doesn't hear me, I just wanted you to know, you to know. I've been thinking about it lately. I got all I want, I got all I want, girl, when I got you. What's with all this waiting? I got all I want, I got all I want, girl, when I got you. 'Cause all I'm asking is for a heartbeat, just a small town miracle.